Welcome to our channel. If you want to invest in DeFi projects, follow these step-by-step instructions to navigate decentralized finance opportunities while managing the substantial risks involved. Step 1. Educate yourself thoroughly about decentralized finance concepts, including smart contracts, liquidity pools, yield farming, and how DeFi protocols operate without traditional financial intermediaries. Step 2. Set up a cryptocurrency wallet that supports DeFi applications, such as a browser extension wallet. Ensure you understand how to secure your private keys and recovery phrases safely. Step 3. Purchase cryptocurrency needed to interact with DeFi protocols, typically Ethereum or other platform tokens. Always keep extra funds for transaction fees, which can be substantial during network congestion. Step 4. Research DeFi projects carefully by examining their smart contract audits, team background, total value locked, and community reputation. Be extremely cautious of projects promising unrealistic returns. Step 5. Start with small amounts and establish DeFi platforms that have operated successfully for years. Never invest more than you can afford to lose completely, as smart contract bugs and exploits remain common. Step 6. Understand the specific risks of each DeFi strategy, including impermanent loss in liquidity pools, smart contract vulnerabilities, regulatory uncertainty, and the complexity of these protocols. Step 7. Monitor your DeFi investments actively as the space evolves rapidly. Be prepared to exit positions if project fundamentals change or new risks emerge. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.